Right, so we have a 2024 MGHS. Now this, we have done a Ghost Pro Immobiliser. Now a lot of MGs out there, we do this special on there. So I'll show you how it works. So with this special vehicle, obviously we have the customer authorization tag. So with this, it will input the password for us. You can manually input your password, which makes no difference anyway, but I'll show you how it works. So if I press the start button and the start button again, even though the tag is here and present, it won't work because I've taken the battery out of this tag. Obviously the way I can do it now is if I do the password for myself, which will be the flashing down here. So we do this 4 times, it will then give us the flashes up on the top, which will be our indicators. So if I do that now, it's going to flash. There you go. So that is now accepted the password. I can now put my foot on the brake and try to start the car again. And as you can see, steering wheel has gone light and it's ready to drive. If I wanted to change the password on this vehicle, you must simply start button once, twice with no feet on the pedals. We're going to wait for this to arrive. So once all of the boot up screens are loaded, you can then do your password for the vehicle. Now the password, we get 2 flashes. That is now confirmed the password. What we do is we're going to hold our high beams towards us and we're going to do the same password again. So as you will see, I'm going to hold the high beam, we're going to enter the password. We are now going to see the flash at the top. As you can see, it is flashing away. Now what we are going to do, we are simply going to enter our new password. For demonstration purposes, we are going to move it to the end of this 4 times. So 4 times there, we're going to get 3 flashes in response. We can do the same password again. We're going to get 2 flashes in response. That is now successful. If I turn the car off by pressing the start button, that is now your new password. So for service mode or valet mode, we simply are going to start your car, put your password in, everything is going to become on and active. Now what we do is we do your driver's window lock 5 times. 5 times here. We'll flash 5 times, allowing the vehicle to be able to be turned off, and that is now in your service mode. For reinstating the Ghost, you must simply put your foot on the brake, start the car, engine will come on as normal. As you can see, we enter the password for the car, we get 2 flashes on our dashboard. That will now activate the Ghost and bring it back into action again, and that is on the MG HS 2024.